Hi everyone! Supervisors and managers, especially in a call center environment, need to be able to listen in on live calls or to drop in on a call. I will show you how you can do it from collaboration. Please mind that only users with certain permissions can do it, so the first thing you need to do if you want to use this feature is to check with your system administrator that call intrusion is not restricted for you in the ACL settings, in the system settings. So here is our first situation, silent intrusion. For example, our HR manager is interviewing a new candidate for my team, and I want to listen to this call silently. I don't need to talk to anyone, just listen. So here is our call. Press the three dots and then go down to listen. Right now I'm listening to this call, but no one can hear me, and by the way, no one knows I'm listening. Here is another situation, partial intrusion. Let's say in a contact center environment I am supervising a new employee. I am listening to his first calls with the customers, and I need to be able to drop in on a call and give some tips to my colleague so that the other party, the customer, cannot hear me. So press the three dots and select Whisper. Right now I can give some tips to my colleague, I can talk to my colleague, but the second party cannot hear me. One more situation, a conference intrusion. I need to drop in a conference mode, meaning that I can talk to both parties and both parties can hear me. So once again, three dots and then select Barge. And actually you can do it not only from collaboration but also from other devices using the feature codes. Read documentation for more details. I hope this was useful. See you in the next video.